Bowled in. Beautiful ball. Magnificent ball. And the stumps went flying.
Oh, clean him up. Quick and straight. Look at that. 2 stumps out of the park.
Oh, ball in with a brilliant delivery. He's done it again. Would you believe it? It's Mohammad Asif who knocks the middle stump over.
It's a special bowler. The way he's released the ball, it's nipped back again, and it's knocked him over again. Laxman's got no idea how to play him. Look how far that stumps.
Giving the charge and he's gone. He done it for Josh blood, and he deserves it.
Lovely seam, it's full, which is the attacking.
And knocked him over straight away. He does bowl full when he starts, but he's quick through the air. And Watson certainly surprised.
Well, Shane Watson was looking at the umpire. A little bit of late swingers.
Oh, hasn't cost anything. He's had a great innings. There's Akmal. He's been dropped twice and lost his off pole.
Expensive, but a great delivery again. Look at the seam, so straight, starting to swing away. He's played outside the ball, and look at that off stump.
Straight through, down, bench, but either way, he makes his way back to the pavilion.
The perfect start for Ishant Sharma. Aaron Finch looking to be positive, going for the...
Oh, bingo!
What a ball!
Him back a little bit, maybe a little inside edge onto the middle timber.
Oh, Flintoff gone too. This is brilliant. 5 for McGrath.
And that made a real clanging sound. It darted back down the hill.
Nani Walker bowled in. That is out.
Great theatre, magnificent drama. Flintoff at his very best.
On the one-day series against Australia.
Oh, knocked him over with a beauty.
There it is again. Look at that ball hoop back. That's a beauty. That's a terrific delivery. I said he...
Beauty. Umar Gol did that to VVS Lakshman in Lahore. Not quite the same contest. Shoaib Akhtar would strike. Batsman, watch this for a magnificent outswinger. Hits him off stump and cartwheels back. Look out. Well, this man and what he does with the ball.
Look at that again. The one that comes in. That's why he's such a bowler.
Brilliant from Bratley. Now, and you just see it spinning out like an off-cutter. And total deception. It's been ferocious pace and bounce.
Beautiful delivery. It's definitely reverse swinging. That is a beautiful ball.
here. Just not using his feet with that delivery.
By Mohamed Amir.
Arm swing, pace bowler. Watch this. Beautiful seam. Nips. What a start.
Oh, bowled him. Delivery, right arm over, pushed forward, went between bat and pad, and that off stump ripped out of the ground. So New Zealand.
There it is. 5 wickets for Mitchell Starc.
Australia have got something special in Mitchell Starc. Bowler of rare talent, in fact, a cricketer of great all-round skill. And now Redley goes too.
Deal with that delivery. Look at that, he's played inside the line and the off stump's gone for a walk.
Bowled it. Green.
Targeting the pads of Laxman. Off the front knee, on the middle stump. They never...
First wicket that is. Adair was playing really well. Wonder what answer he'd have for some of the shots.
Bowled in! Look out for the stump here. He breaks it. Bang. 2 pieces.